Hello my sweet friends and welcome to DIY with Nadia. My sidekick over here is Louie and he's my sweet little pup. Aw, did you want to say hi to everyone? Hi guys. And then I'm going to let him go. Today I decided to do a Hobby Lobby haul because I felt like I didn't have enough fall deco mesh, so I was just stopping in to get some orange and yellow deco mesh. Out of that came all of this. So I'm going to start with 4th of July clearance sale, which was at 75% off. And I did have Louis with me when I went. He was so adorable. And I got him one of these for 4th of July. It was originally $7.99. I figure why not? And check this out. This thing is reversible. I don't want to rip it here, but on one side it's 4th of July and on the other side it's the flag. So I thought it was super cute for next year. Then of course I hunt for the ribbon and deco mesh. No deco mesh on sale, but I did get some ribbon. I got 2 of these. They're basically burlap, and the stars, the red and the blue stars, they do have a little shimmer to them, but I figure I can make it work for sure. And then this one is total glam. It has just sparkles all over the stripes. I feel like this ribbon would be perfect for a farmhouse look. It has burlap in the background with the stars and then a blue stripe. And you could definitely see it working with this one. The ribbon bundles out of these 2 ribbons would be beautiful if you're making a big bow. Another burlap ribbon or white. You know, I love adding white to brighten things up. And that's it for 4th of July. There was not much left. So then I went on to all the summer stuff. All the summer stuff is currently at 66% off. So I got this as a gift for someone. Print was really pretty, and this was $18.99 plus 66% off. I thought it was a good deal, so I had to get that. Then of course I had to search for the ribbon, and I got this gorgeous strawberry ribbon. It has the strawberry flowers and of course wired edging, which is what I look for always for my wreath. So I thought this was beautiful. Then I figure if I'm making cutesy wreath, this ribbon would be perfect for that. Some yellow and pink flowers with some white ones throughout. Very elegant and beautiful. Same thing with this ribbon. Blue, but it's that kind of burlap, like heavy duty ribbon looks like. And it's really pretty with white little daisies throughout and pink little polka dots. Oh. Next, I got a ladybug ribbon. I was looking for a good ladybug ribbon, and this would be perfect because the background is very simple and white, and you can pair it with some beautiful red and black ribbon. I have 1.5 inch that would work perfect. So next year, definitely a ladybug wreath. I've been wanting to make one for a while now. Okay, so this next ribbon is a little cow ribbon. I thought it was the cutest thing ever. It's definitely not my style because I live in the Chicago suburbs. I don't live in the country. Not that I would not love to live in the country. I would love that. But for now, I'm in the city. And the reason I bought it is because I was inspired by one of my followers in my DIY with Nadia Facebook group. And she posted the most adorable wreath that she made with it. So I bought this ribbon because I realized how cute you can make a spring wreath using this very simple black and white ribbon. So we'll see what I'll come up with. Here's a fun tip for you that I use. For example, here's a ribbon that I don't have anything matching to it, but it inspired me. I want to make something with it. So what I do is I'll take a bunch of these, put them on a table, and take a picture with my phone. So now every time I'm at some craft store, craft show, whatever, and if I find something that would match that ribbon, I will get it because we'll forget it. It'll get stored in my spring stuff. I will forget all about it. But if I have it on my phone, I can always go back and check it out. So that's just a little tip that I highly recommend you do. because, well, I do it and it works for me. Moving on to some fall stuff I got that at 40% off. And then the Deco Mesh that I'm going to show you, everything was 40% off. They have it every other week where Deco Mesh and ribbon go on sale. So some of the Deco Mesh is not fall, but it was also 40% off. The first thing I got are these gorgeous, gorgeous corn picks. And they were $2.99. For $2.99, you get 5 of these little corn husks. And I thought it was a good deal, 40% off plus quality. Quality is really good on these, and they are on a floral wire, so you could definitely move these around to your liking. And so I thought I just had to get them. They were just too adorable. Next, I got these cuties. Look how beautiful they are. And these little fuzzies, they look so real from like a distance. They look gorgeous. They look like dried up, whatever these things are. And they're just so beautiful. And the reason I got one of each is I thought I can use it in a wreath and definitely divide them and kind of have them work together like that. Not a bad idea, right? Now for the ribbon. My Hobby Lobby had like a full shelf of ribbon, a lot of ribbon, which was kind of nice. The one ribbon I'm not going to show you that I loved is this velvet ribbon. They have these beautiful colors, and they're better for grapevine wreath, where you're going to have a little bow and the tail is just going to hang down, usually like a long tail. Those are perfect for that. But because my wreaths are more Deco Mesh wreaths and I need the wire edging for my little ribbon bundles, I don't usually buy the velvet ones. But I thought I would share because in case you like grapevine wreaths, those are perfect. I'm going to start with one that came back this year that I have a little bit left over from last year. This is 1.5 inch, and this ribbon is so perfect. It's a beautiful orange, number one, and number two, it has a shimmer to it. So you can definitely use it if you're doing glam, and you can definitely use it if you're doing farmhouse, because the shimmer is not like glitter in your face. It's a very soft, kind of like threading through it. And I absolutely love this ribbon, so I had to buy another one. Next, I got these gorgeous babies. They're the really nice quality one. I got an orange. This green is like a fall green. It's more, you know, just that deeper green, that softer green. And then this kind of tamed yellow, not a bright yellow. Just beautiful colors. And I love pairing solid colors with prints. That's how you're going to get that contrast. And when you pair a solid color with a printed color, the printed ribbon is going to stand out because you have a base kind of. So that's how I consider these as kind of like the base. And then whatever printed ribbon you're using, that's your accent. That's your, you know, showcase. So then for some showcase, I don't know, I'm using some weird language today. For some fun ribbon, I got this gorgeous leaf one, and this one is a little glam, and I think it actually would really work nice with the orange one I got. And then the last one I got is this brown ribbon. That's just, it's beautiful. It's kind of simple. I can pair it differently, so I thought I'd give it a try. And that's it for the ribbon, because don't forget, I do have stuff from last year that I still need to go through, and I feel like I have a lot, and I'm sure I'll get more, but for right now, I thought these were the ones that kind of stuck out to me, so that's why I got those. Moving on to Deco Mesh. I had to stock up on more white. I consider white, black, and burlap as a base color, because if you need to brighten something up, add a little bit of these. You could just make curls, something. If you need to brighten a wreath up, if you need to tame it down, grab some black. So I grabbed a lot of these, but because I have a lot of black already on hand, I just grabbed one black one. Next, I got a white one with some foiling through it, and this foiling is white, and it's just so pretty. I love working with these. They are so much fun, you guys. So I got that one. Got some yellow. You need yellow for fall, right? Got a few rolls of the orange. If you need an idea to make something with yellow and orange, I just made a beautiful sunburst sunflower wreath. I'll tag it in the description box below and right here. The next deco mesh is so pretty with some orange foil strips going through it, and I thought it would look so beautiful with something like this or maybe this. What do you think? I think it'll look pretty. We'll see what I end up using it for. Then I got some really pretty polypro mesh. It's burlap with some white strips going through it. Oh, so pretty. Then I found this one, and I thought this one was pretty too. Kind of mix and match it with something. I thought it would work well. Now this one they have labeled as Deco mesh, and I thought it was absolutely stunning. This was in the fall section, but this to me looks like a soft poly mesh. If you take a look, it's actually a soft poly mesh if you look at the actual fabric. So speaking of soft poly mesh, I got another green one. I already have one on hand, but I got a green one. Then I got a red one. And then, of course, you need some white. So I got that. And that is it for this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed spending some time with me. I enjoyed the fact that everything I got was on at least 40% off and above sale. So that was good. I always love a good sale. And I hope you don't forget to leave me a comment because I love chatting with you guys. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and of course the bell so you are notified every time a video comes out. I usually post on Wednesday. That's my Wreath Wednesday day. And the weekend, it depends on the video. It depends on the content of the video. It all depends on a lot of things. So the weekend ones are not a set schedule one. So please don't forget the bell and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so the video keeps on growing and my channel keeps on going. Thank you so much for spending some time with me. I appreciate every single one of you and I will see you in the comments below. Bye guys. Mwah.